Welcome to our guide on using Tokeepo's Customization Studio, an online live designer tool to personalize your keepsakes.
Now, let's walk you through the steps to personalize your keepsake. Click on the Shop button to enter Tokeepo's online showcase page. Select a keepsake that suits your taste and click on it.
After checking out the product pictures and reading the product description, click on the Personalize to enter Tokeepo's Customization Studio.
Here, you'll see the layout of the keepsake of your choice. All text fields are editable. Click on the text and then press Edit Text. You can also change the font style of each field by clicking the Font button.
Additionally, you can use the Upload zone by clicking the plus sign to upload your logo, add text, or choose a design from our library.
Click on the camera icon to upload your logo or a black and white picture.
Click on the text icon to enter the text of your choice. Remember, the possibilities are endless, whether it's a heartfelt message, a witty quote, or a funny joke.
Click on the folder icon to enter Tokeepo's design library, specifically tailored to the selected keepsake. Feel free to manipulate the design to your heart's content.
When you're satisfied with your customization, click the price on the upper right corner of the page. Your keepsake will be automatically added to your cart. When you're done shopping, proceed to checkout to complete your order. Create your personalized keepsake today. Visit tokeepo.com.